Good morning. Happy Thursday. It's been a week, right? But we're getting through it. Setting goals, smashing them, taking care of business. Because that's what we do, right? That's what we do. All right, listen. This week we're talking about happiness. And I'm not talking about the sunshine and rainbows, psychobabble nonsense happiness. I'm talking about what it really is comprised of. And what it really means to find it and to utilize it. So yesterday, we talked about the fact that we all have negative biases. It's written into our DNA. It's part of our fight or flight response. It is literally how we are hardwired. And we talked about, I asked you, write down some goals and then write down all of the obstacles that are keeping you from achieving it. The other thing was I asked you to go through it and mark, what things you can control, things you can't control. It's an exercise. The more you put in, the more you'll get out of it. I promise. So listen. So here's the next step. Or really it is honestly would be the first real step. So the first thing you have to do when you look at that list is you have to learn to accept those things that you cannot control. And I know that's difficult at times. And it's hard for me. I'm not one to give up control. I don't do it well. So it's a struggle. But learn to accept the things you cannot control. Because if you don't, you're going to be miserable all the time. Am I right? Am I right? So, acceptance. The next thing we're going to need to do. Sorry, I got distracted. I had to. Anyways. So the next thing we need to do is we need to learn to appreciate the things that we can change. A little bit of appreciation for this is something I can change, and this is what I'm going to do about it. So I accept the things I cannot change. I appreciate the things that I can and what I can do about it. And then we need to actually take a moment and be grateful for the things that you can change and the things that you can actually take action on. Acceptance, appreciation, and gratitude. This will get you on the path to finding, and hopefully this will help you start to see things that you're really passionate about and things that really mean something to you and that bring you real joy. And you can work towards those. It's a process. All right. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Have yourselves a great day on purpose. And above all, as always, just be kind.